Misinformation is a very bad thing. Not only does it lead to ignorance, but it can harm as well, making a bad disease worse. Take the example of diabetes. Most people know it is something related to sugar, but there are a lot of myths about the disease out there. Here we make an effort to debunk some of them. Myth number 1. Diabetes is common, so it's not a serious disease. Yes, diabetes is common, and yes, it is pretty serious. It might not instantly kill like cancer in no time, but it does cause more deaths around the world in a year than AIDS and breast cancer combined. People do not die of diabetes per se, but of the related ailments that come with it as a package deal. Myth number 2. Diabetes will definitely kill. While some don't take it seriously, others treat diabetes like a death sentence. This is also not true. It is important to make dietary and lifestyle changes which can go a long way in managing diabetes and the ailments that come along with it. Overweight? Then you'll definitely get diabetes. Yes, being overweight does increase the chances of getting diabetes, but that doesn't mean every overweight person will get it. There are a lot of other factors that also contribute to it. Myth number 4. Eating too much sugar will lead to diabetes. Another common myth. Yes, for overweight people and those genetically prone to diabetes, it may increase the risk, but will not necessarily give them diabetes. Myth number 5. Diabetes means an injection every day. Not true again. It might be true for type 1 diabetes, but insulin injections do not start off as soon as someone is diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. This type of diabetes can be managed for years with lifestyle and dietary changes, and only when that stops working does one need to depend on insulin. Myth number 6. Insulin is bad. There are a lot of people who believe this, as they know people who passed away or became worse as soon as they went on insulin. But the truth is, insulin is a lifesaver, but it is also something that is hard to manage. There are also a lot of people who started very late, losing precious time in the process. Myth number 7. If you're put on insulin, it means you are unable to take care of diabetes. Again, not true. Diabetes is a progressive disease. At first, the pancreas might be producing less insulin and they might stop producing it altogether. Diabetes can be controlled with diet and lifestyle changes for a good amount of time, but there are a lot of other factors that can lead to eventual insulin dependence. Myth number 8. Diabetes means no sweets and sugar at all. As long as a healthy meal plan is being followed, diabetics can very well include sweets in their diet in a limited amount. But it has to be handled like a treat, not make it an everyday habit.